How to fix a missing network adapter in Windows 11 or Windows 10. To fix a missing network adapter in Windows 11 10 try. 1. Restart your PC. 2. Show hidden drivers in Windows 10. 3. Remove and reinstall the battery, if any, from your laptop. 4. Turn off antivirus and VPN, if any. 5. Run Network Adapter Troubleshooter. 6. Run the Network Reset tool. 7. Reset tool. 7. Uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. 8. Reset WinSock settings by running the command below, as admin. NetShare WinSock Reset 9. Clean up network devices by running the command below, as admin. NEC D10. Try Windows Clean Boot Mode.